Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add credit card to PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, in this video, we are just going to follow this sports article from PayPal. And basically, you can easily add a credit card or debit card in PayPal. All you need to do is to simply go to your wallet, and from there, you can start linking your debit card or your credit cards. And basically, it will allow you to add also your bank accounts or to link your bank accounts within PayPal. So as you can see here, we're already in the home page, we can find this option of adding card or a bank. And there is another way to find this choice by simply going to wallet. And from wallet, we will be able to find our cards and our bank accounts and all uh, the funds. So from here, there is the PayPal balance, which is the Pi balance. And basically, those are your cards. So from here, there is the PayPal balance that is already added by default in PayPal. And in here, you will find all your other cards. So since we want to link a new card, we will be needing just to click on link card. So by clicking on link card, from here you will need just to add the debit card or the credit card number. You click here and you fill in the information. You add the card type, either it is a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or any other type. And from there you add all the other information like the CVV code, etc. And then you will wait for the card to be linked, and then you will start finding it here in this list within the Wallets tab. Another way, like we have said before, you can simply click on here and you will have the same steps to do. So you just click on add card or bank, and from there you will need just to fill in the information, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.